Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to play the escape game. So we start off by selecting Play Game. Now in the room, there are many items, and some of these items you're able to select for messages and clues. So whenever you mouse over an item and you see the hand icon tells you that you can click on that item for more information. So let's start by doing that. Now this is the exit door, and the message that we got is the door is locked. And that's because, well, we haven't put a code in yet. This is the keypad that you would use to put the exit code in. If I were just to put a random number in here and click try, nothing happens because that's not the correct code. All right, nothing interesting. So there are two ways to get to the next page. Sometimes the navigation button is down at the bottom here, and in some cases the navigation button is really on the side. All right. Over here on the right hand side, you will see a strip of square boxes, and these boxes are for inventory, and I will show you exactly what that means shortly. So let's go to the next room. This is room number 1, and we are going into room number 2. Now in room number 2, there are many items that we can explore for clues. So let's see what we have. Okay, there is the hand comes over the fan, which means, okay, nothing unusual. Let's keep going. It's locked. Now, you've received a message, but there may be more messages. And what I want to caution you to do is to not click through very quickly too many times, because if there are several messages, every time you click and you receive another message, then the previous message disappears. And that previous message may have really important information. So at each click, look to see what the message is, because if it has good information, you're going to want to take notes in your notepad before you move on. Now, what is the code? Nothing happens. That didn't work. Now I happen to know what this code is. Let's try that again. Oh, I think I was wrong. Let's try that one more time. Good. Well done. And then a message pops up. Let's see what it says. You're doing good. So let's continue. I hope you took note that there were several messages just in that one item. Let's keep going. And a hammer falls out. Let's see what happens with the hammer. So we clicked on the hammer and it was added to inventory. Now the items in inventory are items that can be used to unlock further clues on other items. So there may be something within this room in which we will need a hammer for. So let's keep going. The door is locked. So this is a keypad that you likely will need an access card for. So we'll need to find it. It's off. Let's click again and see what happens. It's off. Oh, there's a remote control. Interesting. And it was added to inventory. And it turned the TV on. So the TV was turned on, and when I click it again, there is another message. So I want to make sure I click until I've gotten the final message. And now the scissors is added to inventory. There may be something that I'll need the scissors for. Very interesting. Look for clues. You're doing good. So I think you've gotten the hang of it. And so I hope that you will play the escape game and enjoy it. And remember, if the clues are proven to be difficult, there are answers somewhere. So just find who might have the answers, and then you may be able to win the game. Good luck!